Are you struggling to assert that an email was sent in Laravel 5.4? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. I totally get how frustrating it can be when your tests don't behave as expected. You write your code, run your tests, and then nothing. It can feel like you're chasing your tail. But don't worry, we're here to solve this together. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, "Why is my assertion for mail sent not working in Laravel 5.4? They provided their test code, and it seems like the email isn't being sent as expected. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be going wrong here? The issue often lies in how the mail is being sent or how the assertion is being made. We'll break down the code step by step to identify the problem. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to fix this issue and ensure your emails are sent correctly in your tests. To address the issue with asserting that the mail was sent, the user should first ensure that the mail is being sent correctly in the controller. In the store method, the user should check if the mail send function is being called properly. Next, the user should verify that the new user mailable is constructed with the correct user data. This includes checking that the email and name are being passed correctly to the mailable. After that, the user should confirm that the mail fake method is being called before the action that triggers the email. This is crucial for the test to intercept the mail sending process. Finally, the user should check the assertion for the sent mail. Instead of dumping the mail object, the user should return the result of the has-to method to ensure the test checks the recipient's email correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Laravel's mail system is built on top of SwiftMailer? It's a powerful library that makes sending emails a breeze, but it can be tricky when testing. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying how the email is sent. Instead of attaching the recipient's email inside the mail label, you should specify it outside. This can be done using the mail-to method before sending the mail label. In the new user mailable, ensure the build method constructs the email correctly. Set the subject and view based on whether the user is an admin or a client. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your mailable's build method to ensure all necessary data is being passed. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to assert that your email was sent successfully in Laravel 5.4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.